Hi, boys and girls. Today I'm going to be showing you how to complete this week's ELA assignment. So for the last couple of weeks, we've been focusing on nonfiction text features, paraphrasing, and main idea and detail. So this week, we're going to focus on researching. Now, researching is where you ask a question and then you look up information to find the answer to that question. So you are going to be choosing a weather topic. It could be hurricanes, thunderstorms, floods, tornadoes, earthquakes, anything that's interesting to you. I'm going to be using hurricanes, and you are more than welcome to also research hurricanes. So this is what the worksheet looks like this week. So under weather topic is where you're going to write what you've chosen. So I'm going to type in hurricanes. The next thing is to choose a research question. Now we're only picking one question. We have 9 listed here. So you obviously don't pick all 9, you pick one. You want to look through here and decide which one is the most interesting to you. Now, I really like this one here where it says, what is a hurricane and how are they formed? Now, if you chose thunderstorms, though, you would type in what is a thunderstorm and how are they formed. So it's really easy to trade out the word hurricanes for the name of your weather. So to make this easier on myself, I'm going to click and drag to copy and paste the question into the box here so I know exactly what I'm looking up. So my research question, what is a hurricane and how are they formed? If I scroll down a little bit, I see that I need to type in 4 facts that answer that question. And I'm going to show you where you can find that information. The first one is Epic Books, which we've all been there many times. We all know that in the upper right-hand corner of our Epic Books account, we have a mailbox, and you can find all of the nonfiction books that I've assigned to you for previous assignments, and you can go directly to those, and that'll help you with researching your weather topic. So I clicked on the collection Natural Disasters and Survival. So I'm going to scroll down here, and I'm looking for hurricanes. Oh, so I see this book here, Detecting Hurricanes. So I'm going to click on that one. Now, when I open up this book, I see a table of contents. Again, I'm only looking up what is a hurricane and how is it formed. So I can see here that is the name of chapter 2. So I'm going to skip the first chapter and go directly to page 9. When I look at page 9 here, I see that a hurricane is a type of tropical cyclone, which is a large swirling storm with strong winds. That's interesting. So what I could do is I could go back to my note-taking form, and I would type in here that that a hurricane is a swirling cyclone. So I could write that down. Now, I could probably find all 4 details in this book, but a good researcher looks in other places. So I'm also going to show you 2 more websites that you can go to research your weather topic. All of these links are going to be in our Google Classroom. The first link is Weather Whiz Kids. And on this website, you would just look at the drop down here, and you can see there's a lot of different types of weather and also natural disasters if you chose one of those. So I'm going to click hurricanes. And again, I'm looking for what is a hurricane, how is it formed? So I see there's some more information here on what is a hurricane, but I really want to know how it's formed. So I'm actually just going to keep scrolling. And wow, look at that. That subtitle here, or the subheading, is how do hurricanes form? So I could read this information here, and I see that hurricanes only form over really warm water, 80 degrees or more. So I would go back to my note-taking form, and I would type in that information here. The last website that you can go to is called Kiddle.co. This is like Google, but it's more kid-friendly. So I'm going to actually type in exactly what my question is, which is what is a hurricane? And I'm going to search. The nice thing about this website is that it gives you some pictures here, as well as the name of the website. And then underneath, I can see it gives me a little bit of information as to what I can find on that site.